Hi everybody, I'm Cassidy from Wiara Handmade, and today I'm going to be making a bulky twisted crochet headband. So the pattern I'll be using today is from the website All About Amy, and she has great patterns, tons of free crochet patterns that I love to make. I've made quite a few, and she does a really good job. So check her out. I'll link her website in the description below. So the yarn I'll be using today is a cream 100% alpine wool. The supplies I'll be using today are a letter J 6mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and 2 paper clips. All right, so let's get to it. Alright, so to start off this headband, I'm going to be using a foundation single crochet. One great reason to use the foundation single crochet is that it avoids one side being tighter than the other from the chain. So it just adds that added flexibility, and it can be worn upside down or right side up. It won't matter because it's going to be the same on both sides. As you can start to see in this video, my yarn will not stay put. I forgot my yarn bowl. It's from Darn Good Yarn. Darn Good Yarn is an awesome website for supplies, and they have awesome yarn and different things like that. Alright, just counting up my stitches to make sure I have the right amount for this pattern. Again, the pattern is going to be in the description below for those who would love to make this for themselves. Alright, it seems like it's good, so on we go. Layer 2 through 6 are all the same stitches, so it's pretty much just going back and forth over the whole length of the headband. Alright, so you can see here's some little tails. What I like to do to sew them in is sometimes I will use my yarn needle, which is actually what I do the most, but in this case I wanted to crochet it in, and they actually hide pretty well. Still fighting with my yarn, as you can see. I really need that yarn bowl. Alright, so row 2 is done, on to the 3rd, and it's pretty much just the same thing from here, all single crochets on each layer up until we get 6 layers. Alright, row 3 done, on to the next one, halfway done. Alright, row number 4 done, on to 5th layer, and actually as I'm going through this row I'm realizing that my yarn is getting really low, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to make that 6th row or not. Even if I'm not able to make the 6th row, it'll still look really nice. It'll just be a tad thinner. Alright, 5th row done. Let's see if I have enough yarn for the 6th row. There's our tail. Bummer, not able to make all 6 rows, but you know what? It still looks really cute with just 5, just a little bit thinner. It actually works out because I'll need that extra thread for sewing this thing together. All right, now on to the twisting. All right, and now I'm gonna sew the ends together, and that middle twist will actually make the beautiful twist of the twist headband. And unfortunately, the camera cut out before I was able to completely finish, but what I ended up doing was folding those two together, using the paper clips to make sure that the knot was centered. I'm gonna sew around the back and the sides, leaving about an inch, and then pinching the twisted parts to make it look a little bit more bulged out and extra twisty. Okay, and so here's the reveal. I gotta say, I love this headband. I think it's super cute, looks really cute on, and even though I missed that last layer, it still looks really nice and thin. I will probably be making something like this again with that extra 6th layer so you guys can see what it looks like a little bit wider. But all in all, it fits great. That foundation crochet actually worked out really well. It kept it nice and flexible, so I can put it on either right side up or upside down if you can't tell the difference. Thank you everyone so much for watching. It was so fun to make. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I always like watching these kinds of videos, so I hope you guys do too. Check out my Etsy page, Wiara Handmade. I have dozens of items perfect for gifts, hats, gloves, scarves, you name it. Check it out. Link in the description below. And if you like this YouTube video, feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment. You're on YouTube, you know what to do. You hear it all the time. All right, looking forward to see you guys next time. Stay tuned for more videos like this, guys. Thank you. Bye.